Most businesses waste hours every week on repetitive admin. AI promises to automate it. Today we're going to discuss and configure n8n, an open source, free workflow AI automation tool, to show how automation can be within reach of any business. A quick recap. Workflow is just a set of connected steps that move information around. Agents bring the intelligence to the workflow. Workflow can trigger when something happens, for example, when email received, chat updated, or file been updated, and it usually creates and sends out an output. The model to think about TPO, which stands for Trigger, Process, Output. So what is n8n? n8n is like Zapier, but open source. It's flexible and cost-effective. Open source means you have full control over the software. You can decide to run it yourself on your local computer or in the cloud, and it comes with a free commercial license. n8n connects to over 400 applications and more, and crucially, it lets you drop AI right into the middle of your business processes. Because n8n is open source, you can always inspect the code and see exactly what it does. It has over 134 stars on GitHub, and that shows how popular the solution is with a wider community. The source code available then and there, you can download right away. And as you could see on your screen, over 42,000 people chose to already make a copy of the software for their own projects. n8n is taking the world by storm. On their website, in the workflow section, you can find over 5,000 templates that are ready to use. Let's have a look at some of those popular templates and how TPO framework, Trigger, Process, Output is implemented in many of those templates. On their website, you can select, for example, AI or sales, and it will bring up relevant templates. You can search the templates by adding multiple systems into a search box. Here is an example where AI is used together with Google Sheets, similar to AI agent that we're building ourselves. Each of the template can be inspected without even installing the software. And you can see the way this one works. It takes the results from Gmail, processes a little bit with some code, does additional filtering. AI agent classifies the emails and then logs them into Excel spreadsheet. Now, for the practical element of this video, let's get you set up with an n8n account. n8n also provides cloud hosting. The cloud hosting means that you run your instance in the cloud, and it comes with a 14 days free trial and a small fee after that. You can sign up for an account in a matter of seconds. Let me show you how that works. Press Get Started. To sign up for the account is really easy. Complete the sign up form. Let's use Google to generate a quick, strong password. In the account name, this is going to be part of the URL that you will use to log in into your application and start the free trial. I'll ask some information just so n8n know who are their typical customers that sign up. So for me, we have 20 employees, executive owner. We're closest to automation agency in this case, and I'm proficient. They will offer a quick tutorial that you can follow, and in a few seconds, the workspace is going to be ready. And just like that, you have a working platform. So this is the screen that you need to see, and this is going to be your starting point in the next episode. Today, we covered what n8n is, why it matters, and in the next episode, we will connect n8n to OpenAI. We will get API keys so your agent can start thinking. Now I'll see you in the next one.